Hey, if you are making or receive phone calls on the Galaxy A55 5G and other people cannot hear you, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first, I can recommend you to perform the test of your microphone. In this smartphone, you can actually find two microphones, right here and right here. So the test is actually really simple. I can recommend you to go to the settings, scroll down, move into the device care, open the diagnostics, and now just wait for the loading screen, go into the phone diagnostics, and now find the microphone. It's right here. Click on it. Now accept the permissions for the microphone. So from here, you have to move into the permissions, find microphone, and tap allow while using the application. Then go back, and now just click on the record and start talking to this microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try to play it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So it means that this bottom microphone is working. Now let's check about the top microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, so as you can see, both microphones are actually working. So there's like some other issue. So I can recommend you to simply go into the settings. From this, you have to go into the sound and vibration. Then scroll down, move into the sound quality and effects, and be sure that you turn off the adapt sound. Now you can try and test your microphone during the phone calls. It should actually works right now, but sometimes when you are connected into any Bluetooth device, for example, you leave your headphones in your bag and they are still connected. So when you receive the phone call, this microphone will be linked into your headphones or earbuds that are actually in your bag. So these other people cannot hear you and you can't hear them. So just be sure that you are not connected into any Bluetooth device. And this is it actually. So tell me if it works, and right now please subscribe.